In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to seamlessly export tasks into an Excel file using the export option. So whether you're managing a project, organizing your personal to-dos, or simply trying to keep track of your workload more efficiently, exporting tasks to Excel is an invaluable skill. Let's dive right into the process. First, make sure you're in the application or platform where your tasks are stored. This could be a project management tool or any other task-related software you're using. Locate the export option, which is usually found in the toolbar of the task application or sometimes under the file menu. It might not always be readily visible, so take your time to explore the interface. It's often distinguished by a small icon or drop-down menu labeled Export. Once you've found the export option, click on it to open up various exporting formats. Here you'll typically see multiple choices such as PDF, CSV, or Excel. Since we're focusing on exporting tasks to Excel, select the Excel format. This is usually represented as either an .xls or .xlsx file type, which are the standard formats for Microsoft Excel. It might prompt you to choose whether you'd like to export all tasks or a specific subset. This is a useful feature if you're working with a particularly large task list, so consider exactly what you need. If you have filters or specific views set up, they may come into play here as you choose what to export. Now, once you've made these decisions, go ahead and confirm your export. The software will process your request and begin generating the Excel file. Depending on the size and complexity of your tasks, this could take anywhere from a few seconds to a minute. Keep an eye on your download manager or wherever your files usually get saved. You'll see your newly created Excel file appearing there once the export is complete. After the download is complete, navigate to where your file is stored, likely in your Downloads folder or wherever you've chosen as a default. Double-click on the Excel file to open it. If you encounter any issues opening it, verify that you have a compatible version of Excel installed on your device. Once open, you'll be able to view all your tasks neatly organized in a spreadsheet format within Excel. This setup allows for greater flexibility. You can now sort, filter, and manipulate your task data to suit your specific needs. You can create charts, apply formulas, or simply print it out for a hard copy reference. And that's it. You've successfully exported your tasks into an Excel file, equipping you with an organized, editable spreadsheet of your to-dos. Exporting to Excel not only keeps your tasks accessible, but also allows you to analyze your workload with Excel's powerful tools. I hope you found this tutorial helpful, and feel free to explore other features within Excel to maximize your exported task data. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy organizing.